Hey guys, welcome back again from Pixel Insane. Today is the usual free material release of the week. But before I start, I just want to thank you all for watching my first tutorial a few days ago. Link in the box below as well in the cards. If you found it useful, please do consider to subscribe and drop a like as well. So without further delay, let's see what you're gonna get this week for free. This procedural wall material. Let's jump into Blender and see it in action. Here we are in Blender 3.3. First thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to delete this wall or this backdrop right here. Yes, I deleted it by pressing X and it's something that I don't usually do, and check this video to know why. So to test the material, I'm just going to create a new plane, just like that, scale a little bit. Then I'm going to edit mode and extrude inset a little. Select all and then subdivide it a few times. Something like that, and then go back to object mode. Then I'm going to go into my asset browser and I'm gonna look for my materials, and the wall is right there. I have to jump straight into shading tab because my graphics card doesn't support much details, so I'm just going to decrease right away the details of these textures down to 6 so I can work better. And now it moves a little faster in the viewport, so let's go back to this view. Still pretty slow, but it's because the closer I get, the harder it is for my graphics card to compute all these details. But anyway, so you can see it right here. This is the wall texture right here. It's pretty cool. We can give it a quick render, so let's do that, which strangely goes faster than the viewport shading. I don't know why. If you guys know why, please do let me know. And this is the procedural wall texture. Let's see what we can do with it. Go back to viewport shading, selecting the object, go back to shading tab. There are mainly 3 textures, one noise texture right here. If you have the node wrangler installed and active, you can Ctrl Shift the node to preview it. And this is one noise texture that goes into a mix node for the color, and then there is a Voronoi texture that is mixed with the noise texture. So we can go back to the color ramp as well, and you can preview both texture mixed together. We can change the colors right here. Let's make it like that. And this one, let's make it another color, something like that. Well, it's not really like a wall color, but yeah, we can try and make it a little bit more wally. I don't know, I'm just messing around. That's for the color. And go back to the principal BSDF, and then we have a color ramp that is also connected to the Voronoi, which controls one layer of bump, which is this one right here, as you can see. And then there is another bump, which is controlled by this noise texture right here at the bottom. Obviously, you can change the value of this too to make it stronger or less stronger. It's up to you, but that's pretty much what it does. I can go to 0.25, and then 0.1, and that's it. I use this procedural material a lot, especially when I'm building things that include buildings or houses or anything that has a wall, actually. So yeah, it's really handy, easy to use. There are no extra values. It's all in there in the material. And now I can go to my website so I can show you how to download the material. This is my website, link in the box below. All you need to do is click on free material at the top. All you need to do is to sign up to my website by using Facebook, Google, or your own email to sign up. If you're already a member, just click on already a member and log in. Of course, I'm a member of my own website, so I'm just going to log in with my email. And voila, this is the free material download page, and the wall is down here. Also check the playlist in the cards and in the box below to download all the other ones as well. So we're going to click download the wall material and put it into the desktop. Back in Blender, remember to extract the file in the desktop or in any folder you want, and then go to File, Open, Don't Save, then go to the desktop, select the wall, and then you can click the file, Open. And this is what you're going to get. Just a little tip, if you have a slow GPU like me, remember to decrease the detail of the noise textures, and yeah, let's put to 6 or something like that. If there are others, check as well, but that's okay. And it should be a little faster. Not much, but still pretty fast. And this is what you're going to get when you open the file, just the file itself with the sphere and with the wall material applied. But now I'm going to show you how to append the material into an existing scene. So I'm just going to go to my default one, for example. What I need to do is go to File, Append, go to the desktop again, Wall, select the wall, and then search for the material. It's right there, and you can also see the thumbnail, and then select it. I'm going to select my object, for example this one, go to the material tab, and from the drop down menu I'm just going to look for the wall. And here we have it. Let's give it a quick render.
One eternity later.
And here we have it, the wall procedural free material. So before I go, I just want to show you something that I've been working on for a week. Let's see. Maybe you guys noticed that I'm a little bit obsessed with Spider-Man nowadays, especially after No Way Home came out, and I did a remake already of one of the scenes. This is the thumbnail of the video, you can find it in the box below. But this one is something that I wanted to do for a while since the trailer came out, and this is the remake of this one here. Yeah, we can see it maybe right here, and that's how it goes. I'm still working on it. It's a long process because I actually remade everything in proportion with the maps from Google Maps and everything, and this is like a quick render in the viewport, but I'm really happy and it looks amazing. I mean, it's super cool. You can see the resemblance right here, especially the lamp pole and Spider-Man itself, obviously. Let's go another frame, like where it's close, for example. So yeah, this is the original and this is my version. If you guys want me to do a tutorial on this one or the other one, please do let me know in the cards below. This video will probably come out next week if I can finish it. There is still a lot of work to do, but I'm pretty close. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.